Vaping is considerably cheaper than smoking. Let's quickly compare the cost. Here in the UK, cigarettes are currently anything between £7 and £12 a packet. So let's say an average of £9 for a pack of 20. The average smoker will get through one pack a day. So that £9 becomes £63 a week. Per month, that's £273.75. And the big one? Well, we're looking at £3,285 per year on average. Over 3 grand. So how much is it to vape in comparison? Vaping is a little more how long is a piece of string in terms of cost. But to compare, we're going to look at purely replacing smoking with no drop in nicotine hit and no fancy flavors. And there really are quite a few. We recommend that those new to vaping start off with a simple e-cigarette free of all the bells and whistles of more advanced equipment, so as to reduce the amount of change and frustration. Starter e-cigs can range anything from £20 to £30, so we'll take the £24.99 this Jack Vapor S17 is on sale for as our average. As for e-liquid, we're going to go with a 10 milliliter bottle of vapable liquid at 12 milligram nicotine strength. You'll go through approximately 2 bottles a week, so that's £6. Finally, you'll need approximately 1 coil a week. The coil goes inside the tank. It's what's used to heat the e-liquid, and they're replaceable. These come as a pack of 5 for £9.99, so that's £2 a week for the coil. As the battery inside the e-cig has a life expectancy of between 12 and 18 months, we're going to factor in a new cig every year for these numbers. So for a year, that's £25 for the e-cig, £104 for 52 coils, that's 1 a week, and we're not counting the one that you actually get free with the S17, and £310.96 for 2 bottles a week, not counting any promotional discounts. All that together is £439.96. £440 a year, £37 a month. That's less than £8.50 a week. Let's say that one of these coins represents £100. This is the average yearly cost of smoking. And this is the average yearly cost for vaping. More than £3,000 a year to smoke, or a little over £400 to vape. That's an average saving of 87%, £2,500 every year. Check out the link below for our unboxing and setup video for the S17. And if you're considering switching to vaping, I hope those numbers help you put the costs into perspective.